Alright, this is elec327 Lab 4 Pre-Simon Gameplay. So when I start up the MSP430, lights up that light to tell me that it's waiting to play a game. When I press the button, it will ask me to press the button a certain number of times by flashing the light. 3 times, so press it 3 times. Twice. Alright. Now if I press it the wrong number of times, it will display an error message and again go to the waiting game state. So when I press the button again, it'll start a new game. Now if I press it too many times, it'll display the same error message, and again go to a waiting game state. And here's a quick look at the code. Up at the top we have all the game state variables, including a random table that we draw random numbers for. We don't draw random numbers in just a linear fashion. We have a seeder. So while the game is waiting for a game to play or for a game to start, it will generate 2 random numbers that correspond to where we start inside the array and how far we step inside the array to get a new number. The game itself is played by switching between several different game states, 0, 1, and 2. If we start at 0 and it reads a button click, we switch to game state 1 and it reads out the number it's chosen, and then in game state 2 it waits for the user to input the appropriate number of button clicks. It's right here. If the user ever fails to do this, it plays the game loss scenario, where it just resets everything, sets the game state to 0, and flashes the light a couple of times.